In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to automatically create a task when a client reaches their check back later date. Please note that workflows are only available to SeniorPlace Premium customers, and workflows can only be created by administrator users. First off, you'll want to notice the check back later status and the check back later date, which can be noted within a client profile that is in the check back later status. This workflow will use that date to automatically create a task after a certain period of time. To create this workflow, you'll want to navigate to the Settings cog in the upper right and click Settings. Next, click Agency Settings and Workflows. From here, you'll want to click Create Workflow and choose Check Back Later Follow-up Task. You can then name and add a description if you'd like. After making those changes, click Create Workflow. At this point, we get to customize the workflow to fit our specific needs. First off, you get to choose the Client Status filter. This workflow will only trigger when the client is in the defined statuses here and their check back later date has been reached. When in doubt, just leave this as check back later. But if you also want clients in other statuses to have this workflow trigger, you can add them here. Next, choose the task description. You can use placeholders in the task description, which can help make the task a little bit more clear when it's created. Next, choose who the task will be assigned to. Simply leave this blank if you want the task to be assigned to whoever the client is assigned to. Next, choose how many days after that check back later date you want that task to be created. You can then choose the task type. Please note that task types are customizable, so if you don't see the task type you want, you can simply create that new task type in the relevant setting. You can then choose whether or not to notify the task owner when those tasks are created. Finally, once you're ready to have this workflow go live, click Publish Workflow.